Hello my faithful audience. In this video I'm going to show you how to take a 16 by 9 project and convert it to a 9 by 16 project. I'm going to go ahead and go over here to my project window. I got my bin open for this segment and I'm going to make it full screen by hitting the tilde button, which is to the left of the number 1. Here we go. Now I can see everything a little bit better. I'm going to go to my segments folder, and I already have one created from earlier, but I'm going to show you how I made that. So I'm going to click on the segments folder, go down to the bottom right hand corner, click on new and sequence. I'm sure there's other ways to do this, but this is my preferred method. I'm going to select social media portrait 9 by 16. Then I'm going to type in the sequence name. This is going to be Amber Master 9 by 16. I think in the previous one over here I used spaces, and I didn't like that. I'm going to keep them. So this one is PG-13 for my rating. Okay, I'm going to hit OK. Great. So now it opened up this new sequence, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my master edit. Here we go. I'm going to hit Control A, Control C to copy all of it, come over here and paste it in. And if I come over here, I can see that, yeah, things aren't working out so hot. So, well, hot, but not working out. So, let's select these two items. I'm going to hold down Alt and hit the up arrow one time, and that moves those things up. I'm going to select the video track 1, and I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go over here and paste it. See how I paste it to video 1? I haven't figured out how to control where things paste yet, and one of these days I'll get around to it. So now I have 2 layers, and what we're going to do, we'll hide this layer. And I'm going to click on this first clip that we're looking at. I'm going to zoom in with the plus key, which is next to the backspace. And I am going to go to Effect Controls, Motion, and Scale. And I believe if I go down to 90%, yeah, right in there somewhere is where 89, 88, 88's not enough. We'll go 89. It's either 89 or 90. I can't tell. It'll be 90 to be safe. Nope, it's 89. Okay, so now I'm going to click on Motion. I'm going to hit Copy. I'm going to come back to my timeline. I'm going to zoom out. I'm going to highlight everything in track 1 and paste. And we can see that it shrunk down just a skosh, and that's fine. So now what we want to do is we want to highlight well, no, not yet. What we want to do, we'll go back to the first clip, and I want to shrink this down to 50%. And we want to turn the track back on. There we go. So now we can see, okay, great. Let's maybe 25. We'll put the whole, no, 33. It's a little bit better. So we're gonna, it's extreme. It doesn't have to be this, but we're gonna start here. So I'm going to click on Motion. I'm gonna copy it. I'm gonna highlight everything in track 2 and hit paste. So now I have everything kind of doubled on top of each other, which works great for a lot of the vertical shots. So, okay. Oh, now we're going to click on our logo, and we'll take that down to 40%. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Boom. Great. So now I can go through and I can adjust each one of these clips, the scale, based upon, you know what, let's do a little bit more. I'm going to highlight these 2 again, Alt up, and what we'll do is we're going to go to our, this full screen. We're going to go to our, okay, we're in our Amber Blue Solo bin. We're going to make a new item. This is going to be color matte. And yeah, that's fine. Yes, width, yeah, vertical. Had to confirm, perfect, hit OK. This is just black. Black matte. Okay, and we'll get rid of our full screen of that, and we'll drag our black matte in. There could be other ways to create black mattes that I am unaware of, but this is how I like to roll. Now what we're going to do is change the opacity to 33%. And let's move this over. We're going to take track 2, Alt up, and then put our black matte in between the 2 of them. Let me get rid of it. Okay. Oh yeah. So before, that's after, before. See that? We maybe go a little bit 45. A little bit more. Let's go like a 60. There we go. Then also, if we wanted to, we can make it even more creative. We can take these two, Alt up, go up one layer. I guess we should have moved these up as well. Alt up. And what we're going to do now is create another adjustment layer. I don't want to use that one. I don't know why. I feel the need to duplicate my adjustment layers. We'll call this one blur. Take this, drag it on top, go this way, and now if we go to our effects panel, which is hidden somewhere, here it is, we're going to find a blur, and we'll use this one here, which is my favorite basic blur. Go to effect controls, bring motion down, blurriness, let's just make it like, I don't know, 10. Did it do anything? Maybe 10 isn't enough. Oh, it should be blurring the bottom one. 50. Oh, there it goes. Too much. I'm going to do 33. And still too much. 25. Yeah. There we go. Okay, and we are back. So, now that we have the black matte in, the blur adjustment layer, everything's looking fantastic. We can actually go through and make some adjustments to the scale of some of these things. And for the most part, I think these look alright. This one I want to keep. I like that little right there. Okay, here we go. Now this one is a great example. I'm going to click on the top clip and I'm going to adjust the scale so that, there we go. She does not need to have two layers. We're going to go to our X, slide her over, get her somewhat centered, bingo. It's another clip that doesn't need to, here we go. I'm going to unclick that, undo that, and click on that. So now when I go onto a clip, if I hit D, it'll select it. Oh, I do not want the audio. Okay, so if I hit D, it brings it up right here. And we can bring this up, and we'll go to 90. There we go. We're going to go to our X, drag her over. Perfect. I also like to adjust the X based upon where the end of the clip is, so that I want her eyes centered near the end of the clip. At the beginning of the clip, there we go, and that's it. Now this one is probably going to be a medium of sorts, so I can punch in just a little bit. There we go. Go to the next one, hit down on the keyboard. I like that, that works. This one, hit D, we can go a little bit larger. Go about right there. X, skosh over. Perfect, down. D. 90. Oh, 90 might be, yeah, no, 90's fine. That bra does not fit her. I kind of want to see the, there we go, that right hand. Okay, let's try that. Perfect. D. We'll go here, X there, and this is my process for making a 16:9 video. Well, this is, I don't know if I should zoom in too much on this one, because things might get a little too spicy. Maybe the, oops, I think, yeah, undo. See, I changed my scale when this clip was selected instead of this clip, which is something I do often. So now if I hit D, there we go, and we can punch in a little bit. We don't want to get too close. Yeah, this one we can get like 90. Looking over the shoulder, like what? That's right. Again, near the end of the clip, I want the X, I want to show more centered eyeball. That's good. This one we can make 90%. We'll skosh her over, skosh. Perfect. This one will go 50. Oh, I did it again. Control Z, hit D, and now go 50. Yeah, I could probably... I think that's alright. We're going to go our X, we'll go left a skosh. There we go. Okay, this is the last clip, so let's see what 90 looks like. 90 might be too much. I like seeing the arm, so let's try 60. Bingo. Control S, and there we have it. If we hit backspace, not a backspace, backslash, which is above enter and below backspace, it shows the whole timeline, and we can see here, we can watch it together. It'll be fun. Let's go. Home. Home. Up. Hold down shift, hit 3. There we go. That highlighted our timeline. Now hit home. Bingo. Spacebar. I can't play it though, yeah, it's too small. Let's just bring it down a little bit so we can see what's going on. But I like to see this timeline at the same time as I play, so, you know. You know, one thing I'm noticing is the audio is pretty dang hot. It's up here. It's almost peaking. It's in the red. And if I go back to my master edit and I look at my audio track, I can see that I took it down by 6. So when you're dealing with track levels versus dealing with audio clip levels, this could be one reason why you would put an adjustment on a clip versus doing an adjustment on a track. If you know you're going to copy it over to another sequence, then you'll either have to take this track setting and put it onto the other track, or otherwise, if you don't use the adjustment on the track but you use it on the clip, then that -6 will carry over to when you paste it in here. So let's just do a little -6 and hit play. Much better. Shift, hold down shift, hit 3 to select our timeline, spacebar. What? Alright. Say goodbye, Amber. Fade to black. Fantastic. And that's how I convert a 16:9 to a 9:16. I hope you enjoyed this video. Whatever you do, do not like and do not subscribe. The last thing I need is any attention on myself. Goodbye.